I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a little goodie for y'all. This is one of my sister Lynn's recipe, and that is a cinnamon coffee cake. There ain't nothing better, I think, than a little bit of cinnamon and a hot little cake for winter. So I'm going to get started now. This is, if you're familiar with a dump cake, as they call it, you just dump things in and go. So this is what we're going to do. So I've got a classic yellow cake mix. Just going to dump it in. I've already opened it up so I won't be struggling and carrying on. Make sure that we get it all though. Alright, just a yellow cake mix. Now we're going to mix a box of instant butterscotch pudding. This is the only brand I could find. Well, it's a little Food Line brand, but it's just fine. So, one little packet of that. And now, a packet of vanilla instant pudding. Same as well. My little Food Line brand. Alright, so cake mix, butterscotch pudding, vanilla pudding. We're going to mix this together. Give it a little stir in here. I think I'm going to go ahead and add my little cinnamon. We need about a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my dry ingredients. Good helping of cinnamon. I like cinnamon. Did I just throw it? I did, didn't I?
A little bit.
Oh, a little whisper of cinnamon ain't going to kill us. Just makes it smell good. Alright, we'll give this a little stir. Now, I'm going to add my little eggs here. Got 4 eggs. I know I crack them weird, right? The last one. There we go. 4 little eggs. I'll give that a stir. Give my hand a little white too. Now, I've got 1 cup of vegetable oil, and I'm going to try not to spill that. 1 cup of vegetable oil. It calls for 1 cup of water. I'm going to do 1 cup of milk, because I just think, why not? I think it's better. 1 cup of milk. And a little bit of vanilla. That's all for the cake, y'all. So good. About a teaspoon of vanilla there. I'm going to give this, I got my little mixer there just in case, but I might be able to just mix it with my hand. I think I will. Give her a little mix. It's already smelling really good. Now that I'm wearing it too, I can just continue smelling it. Look at the color. Look at that color in there. I'm just going to beat all these little lumps and bumps out of here.
Oh yeah, once I got over it,
It does, don't it? Got a little butterscotch.
Yeah.
Got a little butterscotch going on there. Yummy. Alright, now I'm going to set this to the side because there's a second half to this, which is also just as simple. I've got 1 cup of crushed pecans here, slightly beat up pecans here. I'm going to do 1 cup of brown sugar. Hope I got a cup. Yeah, I got a cup. I'm about to the end of the barrel here. Been doing all kind of stuff, all kind of cooking. I'm just going to add the rest of that in. There ain't no sense in closing the bag up, putting it back in the pantry, is it?
No.
That little bit.
Use it all.
Use it all. Alright, just going to give this a little stir. You know what? I think I'm going to add a little cinnamon to this as well. Just a little whisper. Why not? Yummy. Alright, now I have got the oven set at 350. Now with this cake it says to start it off at 350, cook it for 20 minutes. Then we will turn the oven down to 325 and let it go for about, I think it said 40 minutes or so after that. But we got this all mixed up. Looky. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Just simple, y'all. Just some simple stuff. Alright. Now I buttered me a little pan here. Get all this stuff up out the way, Law. Lena knocked it over. Alright. So what we're going to do, we're going to pour half of this in here. I might have should have did it in a smaller little pan, but here we are. So I'm just going to give it a little, give it one of those. Even out a little bit. Then we're going to put some of this crumble right on the top. And then the rest of it on top of that. And layer it again with some more crumble. There we go. Yummy. Just a little bit there. Alright. Now we'll get the rest of this out of here. Making a little mess, but that's me. Alright. We'll see how it works out in this 9x13. Hopefully it'll be just fine. If not, I'll tell y'all, hey, you might want to get a smaller dish.
Yeah.
Don't get the big old honking like me. Don't do it. Trying to get it all, y'all. Give it a little stir here. Trying to cover it all up. Get all my little pennies out of there, my little nickels and dimes. It's nice and thick and ooey gooey right now. Alright. Sprinkle this. Then she's going to be ready for the oven, y'all. I always just layer this just in case it comes up. I don't think we're going to have no chance of this coming up out of the pan. But just in case. Alright. There she blows. This is what we're working with. I think it's just fine in this little pan. Just fine. Alright, in the oven, 350 degrees. I'm going to turn it down in 20 minutes and let it cook 325, and I'll let you know what it looks like when it's done. Alright, y'all. Cinnamon crumb cake right out the oven. And I will say this worked out perfect with this size pan. I thought that it was just going to be a little flat, little fritter looking thing.
Man, it looks good.
It puffed up
good.
beautifully.
Ooh-wee. We're going to make us a pot.
Yes. Get us a little pot of coffee with it. And we're going to have us a little treat. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Out of the oven she come, and it looks absolutely delicious.
Smells it too.
It smells it.
Yeah.
Sure
Fantastic.
does. Look, Russell done made us a cup.
Yeah, you can't have coffee cake
without
without
some
coffee. That's like a no-no.
So we got that ready to go.
We ready for that, yeah.
All right.
The important part, you gotta get the cake.
Part.
It is crumbly.
To the top.
Oh,
Good?
very good.
All right.
That is perfect. That is perfect with a cup.
Or some milk. Whatever you got on hand.
It would be good with milk.
Yeah. That would be my favorite part.
My go-to right there.
That man loves him some coffee, y'all. Loves him some coffee.
Yeah. Well, I think when you get older, all your other habits go away.
You're just stuck with some coffee. A little caffeine.
And
Get you going.
I don't know. I appreciate good coffee.
Yeah, and he makes good coffee. He's a coffee snob.
I am. That's just true. Yeah.
Anyway,
We're simple folk, but when it comes to coffee, I get it from my daddy.
he's in there grinding his own beans.
I have been on a search for a long time for good coffee. The best coffee you could find, and
I think you found it. Anyway, so So good old crumb cake, cinnamon crumb cake, and a cup of coffee.
Absolutely.
Yep, and this is gonna be our little dessert. We done had us some supper. So
Yeah.
what a way to end the day, right?
Absolutely.
Yep. But I hope y'all try this. This will be good for just about any time.
It
of
was
the
another
year.
easy one too. You just
Very
throw it in the
easy.
pan and let it go.
Dump and go, honey.
Yeah.
Dump and go.
Lynn, you did a good one.
You
with this
did good, Lynn.
one. Yep.
Thanks to my sister.
She's a coffee gal too. She loves us.
She is. She loves her some good coffee for sure.
And this will
Both
go
my
good.
sisters.
Go good with that tab too. She likes it.
Yeah, goodness. But anyway, this will go good with just about anything, y'all. This would be great to take to work, to anything.
Yeah.
You
Cinnamon.
would go.
Man, I can smell that cinnamon, man.
Smells
It's
good.
Yep.
Smells like we've been burning a candle in here.
Yeah, it does. It really does.
Yep. Anyway, y'all, I hope you try this. And
Yeah.
if you have any ideas of some things y'all want me to do, just holler. And remember, all the little recipes, we've got them posted in the description.
They will be.
And it'll be there. And until next time.